so let's talk about the fact that you do not have to beg a bird to eat breadcrumbs, right? What does that mean? You don't have to beg a bird to eat bread. What that means is that if you are giving somebody or something exactly what it wants, you don't have to entice it, you don't have to beg it, you don't have to trick it, you don't have to convince it, you don't have to do anything except put out exactly what it wants in the way that it wants it, and it will come and gobble it up. You don't have to beg a bird to eat breadcrumbs. Right? And so I want you to think about your offers this morning. I want you to think about your videos you're posting, your Facebook Lives you're doing. I want you to think about everything you're doing from a business context and from a business content place. And I want you to ask yourself, am I needing to beg people to buy? Am I putting myself in a position where I'm needing to really talk about this and convince people and explain it? Explaining is death to business. Having to explain something is absolute death to business. So are you having to explain it? Are you having to overtalk it? Are you having to get into details about it? Because if you are having to do that, you're going to be in trouble. And so if you are having to get into a lot of detail about what you do and explain it, you're going to be in trouble. People don't want to have to figure out what you do for them. People just want to go, oh my gosh, I'm a pigeon. Pigeons love breadcrumbs. Pigeons eat breadcrumbs. Pigeons eat bread. There's a man. He's putting bread down. I'm going straight to him. There's a woman over there. She's putting gummy bears. Now, I lived in New York City for a long time, so some New York City pigeons will eat almost anything. But most birds want the breadcrumbs or the bird seed, right? If you know your target market, and you're clear about that, and you know what they're hungry for. So write that in the feed right now. What are my people hungry for?